Thokozani, emakhosini, Thokozani Bokoko, Thokozani Mamkulu, Thokozani everyone. This is Nkosazana Robin. So yeah, I'm back again with another video. Ninileni samjolo, ninileni tu ya titini koko nyakosha when it comes to love. Koko like I need love, koko nje angtanzo, koko like ngifuna ukuthi like in the department of love affairs. Hambe kahle endlini sekele kulwa endlini into tihambe kahle nje kube smooth man Gogo, do you have something for that? So I was like, yeah, let me plug you guys, because yeah, I've been wanting to plug you. So nai love bombo Gogo la, it's deadly attractions la nje, it's love all the way. So fanele make sure with this now. So it is a letindo leti fanele for someone that you know ukuthi yabona lo wami lona like ngifuna lithando like lona ngifuna ukuthi into thambe kahle lona ngifuna ukuthi whatever le bas phosa ngayo ingasebenzi. So yes bogogo nabomkhulu, let me just show you small. I don't know if you can see, but lana lithando liyavuma bogogo, la lithando liyavuma lana abathi alithando nemanga la nawuthi okay fine relationship ihamba kahle but bantu bayangenelela nemshado boso uvela ini ngicela ute ku this love bomb, ngicela ubuyela kule love bomb lena buyani. So the name of so if you want this love bomb, WhatsApp 0791372662 0791372662. Emakhosini Thokozani Bokoko, everyone. Bye.